Hello friends, my crafty friends. How are you doing today? This is Sheree. Welcome to my channel, and I'm super excited to announce another collab co-hosted with my good friend Susan from Susan Hiles Art. So if you watched or were involved or participated in any way, even if you participated at home, you will remember our collab, open collab from last month, which was let's use paper bags. So this month we are doing hashtag paper bag journal pages. That's our hashtag. It's a mouthful, right? Hashtag paper bag journal pages. It kind of flows off the tongue. But anyway, it's a continuation, if you guessed, from our hints from the last video of February. You will know, you suspected that we were going to be working on our paper bag journals. So super excited. So again, it's an open collab. Here is the information, which I will have linked in under this video, and Susan will have it linked under her video and or listed, and then you can get all the details. I just we print these out for kind of our own, or keep our thoughts together when we're doing our announcements. But yeah, so it's for the month of March, and we make our announcement video on the first Friday, and the next 3 Fridays of the month are where we have all the fun, right? So March 11th, the next Friday, the prompt is, and now the prompts are not, hard and fast. You can kind of do what you want, really. If you want to, just put your own spin on it or do something a little different, that's fine. There's no problem with that. So March 11th, it says on your pages, add wrapping paper, wallpaper, painty paper, stamped paper, etc. So that can include a lot, especially in the etc. So yeah, and then March 18th, add pockets the next Friday, tuck spots and or belly bands with optional tags. March 25th, embellish your pages with ephemera, paint, lace, fabric, quotes, stamping, etc. Again. So in other words, just have fun and do what you want in creating this paper bag, or finishing and completing your paper bag journal. Maybe if you finished the one last month, maybe you want to make another one. So, and just kind of like, those are the prompts, and the date. So, and if you want to participate, we would like for you to post your video on the, the Friday, the dates that I mentioned, and link my channel and Susan's channel under in your description box. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, or both of our channels. And if you can let one of us know, Susan lets me know if she has somebody new, and I let her know if I have somebody new to put in our, our links and everything. So, as long as you let one of us know, your channel will be linked, or your Instagram will be linked in our description boxes. And just make sure you use the hashtag. That just kind of, solidifies all of our group together, and we can easily find, and you can either use the links or the hashtag. So, super fun. So I was going to show you where I am in the status of my paper bag journals from last month, because if you saw my last video where I did the covers, you will remember that I did 3 covers. So I put everything, because I'm working on a couple other projects, I put everything, I usually organize mine, keep my projects together in these little green baskets that I got from Dollar Tree. And here's my 3 covers right here. Here are some, let's see, what else do I have in here? This is my little paper bag tag, Edith Holden, that I made last week. So that's going to go in one of these journals. Here's my little stamping collaged tags. Here are some scraps, my Edith Holden book, and more scraps. The lace I used, in case I need to use more of that on the spines. This is another Edith Holden book. I don't think I showed you this one, did I, last week? Nature Notes, Country Diary Nature Notes, Edith Holden. And this is the book that has, regular size, I would call it. And it has lined pages like this. And then it has, text over on this side. So that's kind of, and then here's some pages like in the Edith Holden book that we like. There are some pages like that too. So I got that out as an option in case I needed it. Let's see, scraps. I think the rest. Here's a paper bag, another paper bag that I you know, just got out just in case I needed it. This is our Let's Use Paper Bags information. Another paper bag that I showed you. This is a glassine bag. This is the one I made. Paper bag I made and put together out of just paper. This is a glassine bag that I have a few of these, and I just think they're a really neat texture with the glassine, like kind of like wax papery feel, and the crinkle and all that. So that, and then I have a file folder in here, and that is it. A little piece of ephemera, a piece of scrap fabric. So yeah, I was going to show you also. Let me show you what I did to my cover so far. So I didn't do anything on the one. Let's see, which one did I create on? I have them kind of organized. I have some ephemera bits in them too. So let's see, which one did I do with you? I did this one with you, the Edith Holden. So I didn't do anything on this one because I want to do this one all on video if I can. So this is where we left this one on the last Friday of February. We made this cover with 2 Edith Holden pages from my little paperback Edith Holden book. We put this right here on the lace. I sewed around the whole thing to sew it all together inside and out, and so the inside looks like this still. I have a pocket here and a pocket here. Here's the lace on the spine, and that's where we are with that one. So this one I didn't do anything on, like I said, so I can do it on video with you. On Friday, I will work on that some more. I plan on doing more to the front cover, so I'm going to get my self-organized and figure out what I want to add to this. So, and then here, this one, this I did do off video after that Friday, last Friday in February. I showed you this one and that I had already done it, and I said I wanted to do something to the cover. So this is what I did. This is a coffee dyed doily. That's a little flower from Tim Holtz that is distressed. You know how it has some white, you know, those pieces have white edges. This is a little Tim Holtz piece here too, a little label I just thought looked really cute there. And I didn't want to cover up this little, I guess that's a wood burning stove. Yeah, it's a wood burning stove. It says burns anything. Burns anything. But a really fancy antique one. And I didn't want to cover that up, so I kind of kept that in mind as I was decorating. I have a beautiful piece of lace here and just a little collage right here. And I have stuck some little pieces that keep falling out. I was going through my Tim Holtz stuff and I found these 2 little pieces here that, because let's see, oh no, this one goes over here. And that one goes over there. And I think I stuck this one in here because it was red. It's like a little red ticket. And let's see, oh, here's a special delivery. That one goes over here too. But that's what I did the front to the front. I put this little label on the back. It's like a little parcel post label that was in the Tim Holtz stuff. And I did say that I was going to sew these edges together because I was, at first I was thinking about leaving them open as pockets, and I thought, you know, I think it's going to be too weak. And so I sewed here and here. And then I did all of this except for, you know, I did the pockets. You saw that. And then I added some ephemera here. I went ahead and put little pieces in here. This is actually a printout from Shabby Dabby Doodle, one of her digital kits, one of Tina's. Let's see, that's that little ticket. This is a little piece that I thought was really pretty and neat and just went well with this overall look of this journal. From this is from Tim Holtz, the ephemera, one of the ephemera packs from Tim Holtz. And then I made this little pocket up here with a piece of Tim Holtz. I was using my Tim Holtz, obviously. And here's a little paper doll here. These 2 pieces I had made and I had in my stash from, these were from Studio 28. Nope. Let me think for a second. Your Creative Studio. And they've got coffee dye paper on the back. And they were just in my stash, 2 little journaling cards. And I just thought they would look good here. And they would fit in this pocket nicely without sticking up over the top. So I put those in there as ephemera. And I really love this piece here from Tim Holtz. I just thought that was just gorgeous. And then this little ticket from, you know who, TH. So I don't keep saying it. And then I put this little paper doll here. He's leaning on the ticket there. I just thought he was perfect to put there as a little decoration. So that's that one so far. I think I'm done with this cover. decorating it front and back, inside. And so now I'm ready to figure out my pages. So that'll be something I'll be doing this month, during the month of March, during our little collab here. And then this one was this one with the, you know, French lady and her beret, and it's got the airmail theme. And you saw that we did all this. And let's see, did I do anything? I didn't do anything else to this one, except when I was going through my Tim Holtz stuff, I was pulling out all these little pieces, and I tucked them in here because of the airmail theme here. I pulled out all these little, you know, these are all Tim Holtz pieces from his ephemera packs. Fragile, do not drop, handle with care. A little airmail envelope. That's from him, right? Yeah, that's from him. Super cute address and everything. And there's 2 of those. And then I guess there's 2 of everything in those ephemera packs, because these are all from one ephemera pack. But there's a little label that says via airmail, 2 of those. Special delivery, 2 of those. 1 of those. 2 of those, 1 of those. And then this little piece right here, that was cute. So yeah, that is where I'm at with these covers. I can't wait to, you know, work some more on these. So just showing you all that to show where I'm at with the covers, how I try to keep myself organized. So all this is going to go back in here until I have time to work on it along with this. So I'll be ready to go when I'm ready to work on Friday's video, right? So thanks for watching. I hope you join in. Let Susan or I know. We'll add you to our list. And, you know, just have fun with it, really. Like I said, if you finished your journal last month, you know, I could see myself doing that. If I were not making 3 of them, I could have just, you know, got so excited and did the pages and everything. So if you did do that, why not do another one with us, right? So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you join in, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Have a great day and happy crafting.